Hey, hey, hey. Hey guys, how are we? So, oh my gosh, I'm so pumped. I am so pumped. So this month we have a new presenter kit, and not only that, a new special for this month. I just did a TikTok on my exfoliation. So I have done that. Okay, so our exfoliating masks are back on sale. They rarely get these done, or any of our masks. So if anyone is interested in getting our mask, just let me know. This is by far actually my favorite mask to this day. You can barely see that. There we go. And yeah, this is like my favorite mask. You can also get our lip masks also on sale right now. So this is our original lip mask that we have. It has like a minty scent or whatever. So you can get this mask, and it's so hydrating. It lasts for a very long time, at least I think so. And then we also have the holiday one. So this one actually came back, and I was actually quite surprised that it did, because I didn't think that it was going to come back on sale, but it's like a red, and it smells so good. It smells good. I think this is actually I think it was supposed to say something, or the holiday. This is the holiday one. But our masks are on sale, so if you guys are looking for a good lip mask, this is like a thin consistency, but it's super hydrating. It lasts forever. Also, if you're looking for a good exfoliator, this is definitely the way to go. But we're also going to do some makeup. You can also get our toners. You can have our toner, our rose toner. So you can get this one, the small one, or the bigger one. So however you feel like you need, like if you need to tone your face, then obviously you can tone it. Alright, I think that's it. Like, some of my favorite products that I go for, especially whenever I am so that I'm like into looking for. Alright, but yeah, we're gonna go and do some makeup, you guys. I hope you all had a good holiday. I didn't really like post a lot of like videos, but I mean, that I figured a lot of people are like, it's okay, it's the holiday, Patty, don't worry about it. And I'm like, don't worry, I'm not. But I'm gonna use the mattifying primer here, you guys. This is an amazing primer, at least I think so. Especially because it mattifies super good, but doesn't like give you like a dry feeling. So this is really nice as well. But yeah, got some in my hair. Showered today. It felt amazing. Actually had the day off today from work, so I didn't have to like go to work today, mainly because George had he didn't get to, or daycare was closed. So yeah, that was fun. But yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of makeup here. Now, none of our makeup is on sale, but there's like so many good things that are coming on right now that just arrived. And I will also talk about it more in my stories as well. So if anyone is interested in checking that out, make sure that you guys do and check out my stories. But I'm so pumped. And then not only that, like, we have a new presenter kit coming out that came out. Oh man, this kit, you guys, is by far one of the best ones that they have brought out. And oh my goodness, like, it is definitely worth checking out. If you guys are interested in getting one of our presenter kits. You guys can check that out. That kit literally is like by far, you get so many things in that kit, and I know I've posted it already, so if you guys have not seen it, make sure that you guys get out of the live and check it out, or just continue watching it. It's whatever. And yeah, because I think you guys should definitely check it out. This is such a good kit, you guys. Such a good kit. So I'm going in with the Addiction Palette 9 today. This is more of a warm tone palette. I'm going in with one of my favorite shades right here, this shade. And I'm going to tap that out a little bit and windshield wiper motions. You can find this palette on my website if anyone is interested in getting this. It is not on sale. I would highly recommend waiting and getting some of the products on sale though. Especially right now. Our bundle that just came out, you can get we have our tanning mousse now. I'm so excited. I actually ordered that, and I don't normally self-tan, so this is going to be a really fun experience, just so y'all know, because I never self-tan. I actually just go to the tanning bed, and I tan that way. So, yeah, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. But I got the body scrub, the mitt, and also the tanning mousse. So I'm excited to do that. You know, it's gonna be fun. It will be fun. It'll be interesting. But yeah, if anyone has questions about that, I will talk to you guys more on that in our stories or in my stories, and I will show you some details about it or tell you guys more about it and stuff, so that you guys don't have to you know, just guess. So if you guys are just wanting to check it out before, mine won't come in till maybe next week or something. The mail is still a little slow because of the holidays. But if you guys are interested in checking it out, you guys can wait till I get mine and I will show you, or you guys can just order your own. It's whatever you guys want to do. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is a really pretty shade. Very simple today. Nothing too crazy, honestly. But yeah, none of the makeup is on sale, which it's totally fine. It's a new month, new year. We are just restarting everything. You guys can start the year off right with some really good skincare. So I think what I'm going to do, what my plan is, I probably will not go live on my skincare, but I will do little videos, either in my stories, or I might try to do skincare in my on TikTok, stuff like that. But I'm not gonna do a whole lot of skincare lives, honestly. If you guys do want to see a live, just make sure that you guys comment below and let me know. But I am gonna do morning makeup lives. So tonight, or this morning, or today, I did a exfoliating mask video, and I will probably do another video tonight. Now, I only actually have 2 masks, so all you guys are going to really see is the detox mask and also the exfoliating one. So if you guys are able to like wait, I do have the I'm going to be getting the brightening mask and the hydrating mask. So I'm excited to get those. And then also the tanning mousse. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. Cannot wait. I actually just got this in the Biz Agent thing, and I kind of want to like use it again. I thought this was a really nice product. It is not Younique. Obviously, you guys can tell that it is not. It is actually It Cosmetics. But I will use our serum foundations probably tomorrow. But this is the It Cosmetics the color correcting full coverage cream plus anti-aging hydrating serum. So I did try it before and it was actually kind of hydrating, so I'm excited to give it a little bit more of a fighting chance because I didn't really let it sit on the face, but it seems to like blend out quite nicely. But yeah, if anyone has questions on some Younique products, or if you guys are quite actually interested in our new like self tanner, let me know. If you guys self tan, give me some what is it called, advice. I never self tan. I just go to the tanning bed. I just like it because I feel like it's relaxing. So, yeah. That's what I do. Alright, so this is a really nice foundation. I think it's a little bit darker, but it's okay, obviously, because, you know, I'm gonna tan. Uh-oh, okay, there we go. I was like, uh-oh, where's the cap? Alright. Concealer. I'm gonna do some concealer and brighten the under eyes, especially with the foundation that I just put on. Since it's a little bit darker, I'm gonna definitely use the like brightening concealer here. Now this concealer is super nice as well. It has like caffeine infused in it, so it's super good for your like your skin and under eyes. So I use this quite a lot. I use this shade, which is the lightest shade, which is Marquisette, or whatever you want to call it. And then also I use Scarlet. It just depends on like the days usually. So, but seems like it's laying down pretty nicely. Alright, and then I'm also going to use the bronzer here. This is our medium shade. I hope that they actually bring out more of those pocket palettes that we had last month. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, last month's bundle was super nice. And I hope that they bring out some more. Quite honestly, because, you know, those were really cute bundles. Alright. We're going to get some blush on. I'm going to use this shade, Sisterly, which I think is actually in our new presenter kit. And oh my gosh, you guys, this is such a pretty shade. Like, perfect for the spring. This is actually, our new presenter kit is actually good till June. So that's perfect for everyone that's starting their business. And you guys can literally get this, this shade. Don't don't look intimidated, you guys. I promise. It is such a good blush here. Like, seriously. Okay. Let's get on some pressed powder real quick. I'm going to just use the shade Tool for under the eye area. And where I've concealed. Mainly just so that I can have my makeup stay in place. I have a toddler, so I want to make sure all my makeup stays in place. It's so insane that I have like hit pan. Isn't that crazy? Now this has shea butter and vitamin E, I think E in it, and freaking smoothing. I love this. This is not Younique, but I'm just making sure everything is like all blended in together. Okay. I thought I heard it. Sorry. Alright, I'm going to use the shade Brazen for... That was... Whew. I thought that was George. Brazen for my... You know, I'm so excited for the new presenter kit, you guys. Like, you guys need to, like, check it out. Such a good one. And if not that, then, like, check out our new, like, some of our new products that just came out. Like, it is, oh my gosh, you guys. It is bomb.com. Okay. Okay. Oh, well, here it is. Oh, well. All right. And then... That's cute. Okay. Cool. And then... These aren't available, but I do hope that they do become available very soon again. I think this is such a good lip gloss. Our Luxe lip glosses are super hydrating. And they smelled like dessert as well. All right. So that is it, you guys. If you guys have questions, let me know, and I will come back on here in my stories to show you all some of our bundles. So if you guys have questions, just comment below and let me know. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.